Hello everyone. Can you believe that using just a coin, you can make a dull and rusty pair of scissors sharp again, as if they were brand new, even sharper than a razor blade? In today's video, I will reveal several simple methods for sharpening scissors that will achieve the amazing results you're about to witness. There is no need to spend money on buying new scissors. You can transform those old, worn-out scissors in your home into highly useful and extremely sharp tools that cut through anything in minutes. Watch the video until the end, and I guarantee you will save a lot of money that would otherwise be spent on purchasing new scissors. To make your scissors sharp as new in the blink of an eye, watch this video. Follow this step-by-step method. It's an easy and practical way to make your scissors sharp again and restore them to their original condition. If you have an old, rusty pair of scissors at home, you will first need toothpaste. You can use any type of toothpaste you have at home. Don't think that toothpaste is only meant for cleaning your teeth. It actually has many surprising and wonderful uses. One of them is sharpening scissors and knives. As usual, first, squeeze out some toothpaste. Apply an appropriate amount evenly onto the blades of the scissors. The surfactants in the toothpaste help improve the shine of the scissors, and its special abrasive particles have powerful grinding properties, which makes the sharpening process more effective. After applying the toothpaste evenly, use a cotton swab to spread the paste. Leave the scissors for 2 minutes. Next, take out a coin. After the scissors are completely covered with toothpaste, place the coin onto the blade. Before sharpening, you should know that scissors have a flat surface, a cutting edge, a side edge, and an upper surface. This is the flat surface. The most important part for everyday cutting is the actual cutting edge, this small edge right here. Therefore, this is the surface that needs sharpening. Hold the coin at an angle of about 40 degrees against the cutting edge of the scissors. Rub back and forth with even pressure. You must sharpen this surface 30 to 40 times. This ensures effective sharpening while preventing excessive wear on the coin itself. When sharpening, pay attention to the specific area that needs work. The part that genuinely requires polishing is the cutting edge. Next, move on to sharpening the cutting edge on the other blade. Use the exact same technique to sharpen the cutting edge on this remaining side of the blade. Every time you change the sharpening surface, check for wear on the coin. If you see a visible groove forming on the coin's surface, change the coin's position promptly to avoid affecting the sharpening efficiency. Keep your hand steady throughout the process to prevent uneven sharpening caused by angle deviations. By sharpening the cutting edges, the sharpness of the scissors can be fully restored, allowing each edge to regain its cutting ability. In addition to this technique, you can also hold the coin with one hand and with the other hold the scissors and open them fully. Repeat this motion about 20 times, and your scissors will become noticeably sharper. But be careful not to hurt your hands. If this seems difficult, you can always use the previous method. Where are you watching from? Leave a comment to let me know. After sharpening, wipe the surface of the scissors with a cloth or tissue to completely remove any remaining toothpaste. Now, it's time to witness the magic. Use the scissors to cut the toilet paper and plastic bags again. You will be astonished to see that their dull and ineffective blades are now smooth and precise, making clean, sharp cuts. They are sharp enough to even split a strand of hair. Using toothpaste and a small, old coin to sharpen scissors is the perfect combination of low-cost, high-performance household tools, compared to traditional sharpening stones. Look at how easily it cuts nylon fabric. This is the ultimate test for scissors. Amazing. It cuts effortlessly. This is a very effective and easy method for sharpening all types of scissors. As for paper, it's extremely easy. See for yourself. Now, you will see a method for sharpening sewing scissors very easily, and the result is fantastic. With this simple and practical method, your scissors will not only become sharp, but will also return to their original shine. Moreover, their lifespan will be noticeably extended. Anyone who has dull or rusty scissors at home must try this method. There's absolutely no need for complicated tools. Just use everyday household items. It's both economical and environmentally friendly. If you have any other tips for sharpening scissors or new discoveries from your own experience, please leave a message in the comments to share them with me and others around the world. Thank you very much for your support. The video ends here. If you have any comments, please leave them below. If you found the video interesting, please like it. Don't forget to share it with your relatives and friends. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. Goodbye. See you in the next video.